Hi guys, today I will teach you how to make a loading bar with the animated effect. It can be 3D or 2D, it's depend upon you. So let's go to VS Code and see what can we do now. So in VS Code, we first have to set up our HTML body, then we proceed to CSS. So what can we do? First we create an order list. In it we have to create a list. So I just copy down to 3 to 4 times according to my words, just like the first word is L and the second one I will have to put just like copy paste it. So I can copy. You can use shortcut commands, but I will do with the simplest method so anyone can achieve this. So we have to change the spelling. Sorry, I cannot change it. L O A So we set up our HTML, that's it. So all the work we have done is CSS, so it can change according to our need. So first of all we have to set up our universal setting, mean to say margin and padding should be 0, margin 0 and padding should also be 0. That's all. Now we have set our body, and in body, as you know, mostly the position should be, I think so, relative is enough for us. I don't think so relative will make thing, I know absolute is more better than relative for this scenario. Absolute. Okay, and now we have to set our I think so position should be set. I think so we only set color. Position should be set in another thing. Color would be better option. So background, so we have to set our my keyboard is kindly of some glitch in it, so the blue color would be, I think so, okay. It's blue, it's okay. And now we have to proceed with our unordered list. First of all, I think about I will change in body and then we proceed, but I think so it is better to change the unordered list than ordered list. So we should change the unordered list relative, not it is absolute. After that we have to send top should be 50%, and after top we have to set left, it should also be 50%, and then we have to set our transform, and transform should be, I think so, the command is known as translate, and it should be minus 50% and minus 50%. So it would be x-axis and y-axis. So you should also choose center, but I will prefer this method because it can help me achieve other things in longer run. Now we have set our unordered list. Now it's time to set our the main courses list. First of all, the list style should be none, and after that we should float, I think so, left, it is better for us. And we need some font family and font size, so the font family should be Arial, and the font size should be 50 pixel, look bigger, or it should be 100. No, 100 should get bigger. I think so 80 is better. Okay guys, after font size we should have to set color, and the color should be white so it can prominent. After that, font should some bold effect, so font weight should be bolder. Okay, after that we need some transform, I think so. Okay, transform, let's see what happened. Transform origin, and it would be left, so the effect start from left. After that, animation, the last one, because we need some animation. And in animation, the name animate for our keyframes, and it would delay between 2 seconds. I think so 2 seconds is enough, and should be infinite so it cannot stop. Okay, all things has been done, and the last and the most important is keyframes. In keyframes we use animate as we mentioned above. Now go down, bracket, now set it up to 0% first. After that, bracket, in bracket set opacity, as the opacity level should be 0 for now. And now set transform, and transform should be rotate, I think so x-axis or y-axis. I should choose x-axis. And now we have to choose the angle, and the angle should be 90 degree or 80 degree according to your need, but I would set it to 80 degree. 80 degree. After 80 degree, I think so 80 degree is not appropriate, so set it to 90 degree. Okay, as you know, I changed the degree and the effect will also change. You can set it according to your need. Now we have to set our, I think so we have to set our one thing more. Translate should be, I think so x-axis, and it would be minus 30 pixel. And what would be the effect? As you can see, have you noticed that? Yeah, that's the thing. Now we go down, and 50%, the opacity level should be 1, and transform, and in transform I need to rotate y-axis, and the angle should be 0, because I don't want to change the angle right now for this 0 degree. And after that, translate x-axis 30 pixel, but this time the minus 10 should not be applied because we have some different effect now. As you can see, it is little bit faster. I can slow it down, but right now please note that. After that, we have some more changes. I think so if you add scale, and the scale should be 0.4. okay, you can add 3D scale according to your need. Now we add 100%. What would happen? Let's see. On 100%, the opacity level should be 0, and after that we transform or rotate. I think so transform is the better command. Transform, and in transform you should rotate y-axis, and the angle should be 0 degree. Why 0 degree? Yeah, I like the fact you can change angle according to your need. So here is guys, but we can change if you want that like that, or you want not further changes, it's okay, you can use it like that. Or there is one more thing I have to add, but it is just an additional thing. If you want to add it, it's okay. If you don't want to add it, it's your choice. I will not say yet you should add it or not, it is on you. So what was the thing? I have to add an order, then list, then nth child, and after that in nth child I will load animation delay, and the animation delay should be, first one is 1 second, and then we add second one, third one, fourth one, but I have to copy it down, so I will tell you. So I copy it down according to our words. Just name it 1, I name it 2, after 2 I name it 2, after that 3. Whenever I select the words, it will automatically, as you can see, focus on that word. So according to your word, loading has 6 words, so I choose 4, 5 and 6. Now I set the delay to 5, 6, and the last should be 8. So now the loading has been changed. So I add effect in effect, so it's on you totally, guys. So if you want to like it, just subscribe for more videos, or for this video, if you want to like it, just add this, or if you don't want to like it, just delete it. So here is the all code, source code. You can copy paste it according to your need, or you can change it according to your need. Any further question, kindly comment or ask me freely. Thank you.